Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a Wednesday morning. It is cool outside, enjoying the weather. But y'all, look at this. This is the front porch. So yesterday I repotted, I took him out of here and put him in there and just watered him. And I'm just gonna spruce up this area. I found this chest. I thought it would go nice right here. This is falling apart, so that's gonna go. And look at my hibiscus, y'all. I don't know. I water her. She got one little green section right there. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what to do. She looked like she done gave up the ghost. I tried to give her some more soil. Nutrients. Everything. But she just is not cooperating. I staked her up. Thought maybe she needed a little bit more support. I don't know. I bought her from Sam's maybe like 2 years ago. And yeah, this is what she is looking like. So, I don't know, y'all. I don't know what this stuff is that's growing on her. It looks like white mold. She do have one little green part right there. I don't know. I'm gonna try and look it up. So what we're gonna do is just spruce up this area right here. Make it look like something, clean it up, because it is a hot mess. Look at him doing something he ain't got no business doing. Leave it alone. So yeah, let's jump right in. Look, he running like he ain't got good sense. Oh, now he won't lay down since I'm filming him. Oliver, come. Good, come. So this is my lemon cutting. Well, not cutting. This is a lemon that I took from a fruit, from the seed, and actually put it in a Ziploc bag, and it started growing. So I transplanted it out here about a month ago, and it has been doing well. So I'm going to plant this one in this pot right here. Pull these leaves off and put him in just like this. And this will do just fine. I found out the easy way I think it was last year, when we got that big shipment of mulch. They had some of these mixed in the mulch, and I just left them there. I thought they was gonna, you know, shrivel up and go away, and they didn't. They started growing in the mulch, y'all, in the mulch. So I've been just taking them and putting them in the garden. It's a pretty purple, so why not? So yeah, there you have it. All right, y'all, here is my front porch refresh with my plants. So I am leaving my hibiscus here. It's a braided hibiscus. I'm leaving it there with hopes that I can save it, maybe. And then these are the rest of my plants that I have. Look at my pot. It says talk dirt to me. So these were some transplants that I did. I took this one out of this pot right here. And that is the chest that I found. I wanted to open it, but when I opened it, I realized that the hinges on the back, both of them aren't still hooked on. So I just set it like that for some porch decor. And yeah, this is basically the cleanup of the front porch area. Took all the other old plants that were dead and dried out, moved them until we put some new plants in. And there you have it, guys. This is my front porch refresh with all of my plants. Thank y'all for watching. I'm SalonDivaV, in the place to be, y'all. My front porch. All right. I will see you guys in the next video. You know what it is. Peace.